Hi, I'm Paula Snow, and I wanted to show you how to make a Christmas wreath. If you are selling your house, a wreath is super important for your front door. So today we're going to make a Christmas wreath, but you can make a wreath for any season. So this is the one that I most recently made. So let's go on in and start working on it. Okay, I've got all of my supplies ready here to make the wreath. So I wanted to show you the wire wreath. You can get these at Dollar Tree. These were $1 each. I bought the mesh ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and if they have a 50% off sale, then you'll save money. So instead of paying $8, I paid $4 for these. If you buy them anywhere else, just make sure that the size is the same, because I bought some at Walmart and learned the hard way that they were too short. So these are 10 inches wide by 10 yards. And the ones I got at Walmart were 7 yards, which didn't give me enough to go around the wire twice. You're going to need anywhere from 12 to 15 of the pipe cleaners. I've got some Christmas ornaments in whatever color you like, little motif. Got this at the dollar store for $1, or you can also find lots of great options at Hobby Lobby. And then you can choose whatever ribbons you want. So you'll need 3 pieces of each ribbon, and these are cut 13 inches long, and then you'll want to dovetail the end of them. So pick whatever ribbons you like. And so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to take the pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and we're going to attach it to all of our edges. Okay, so we're going to take it and put it through here. And since we don't want it to be loose, we're going to take one strand and tuck it under, and then we always tie twice to the right. And so now that one can't move anywhere. So we're going to go around and do all the edges. Okay, so now that I've done all of my edge pieces, and I want them coming towards the front. So now I'm going to do not the first piece of wire here, but the second one from the middle, and I want to put them right in the middle, because once we start working with the mesh, we're going to basically zigzag back and forth. So same thing. And then afterwards, we will come back once we have the ribbon attached, and we will hot glue the pipe cleaner in place so that it doesn't move around. Just going to go around and do all of these. Okay, so now that we are all done and we have all of our pipe cleaners on, we are going to take our mesh ribbon, and you want to go ahead and hold one edge and then just go ahead and drop it. And you're going to scrunch it in like so, and you're going to attach it to one of the outside pieces. Okay, Gabby, come over here. Okay, so we've got our edge here. We're going to lay it down right there and twist twice to the right, or 3 times if you want. Then we're going to, got my fingers there, and I'm going to pull and measure to about where my elbow goes, like so. And we're going to zigzag. So we're going to go from this outside piece, hold this right here, and go to this middle piece and twist tie our pipe cleaner. Then I'm going to put my fingers there, measure, and I'm going to go to the outside spot. Okay, so keep in mind, of course, everybody has different size arms. So I wanted to measure and show you For me, this measures out to about 15 inches. So in case you're a tall person with really long arms, I'm a short person with short arms. So 15 inches is about the size that you're going to need. You don't want it to be any shorter than that. You don't want it to be any longer than that because it's going to throw this off. So we're going to keep making our way around. And see, right now it's loose. It'll move around. Don't worry about that because like I said, we're going to come back and hot glue it from behind afterwards. If you have a second person that can help you hold it down, that makes it a lot easier as well. Oops, these keep moving around. Okay, so now I've gone around completely once and you can see it still looks kind of bare. So we're going to keep going back through. We're going to keep zigzagging from the inside to the outside, from the outside to the inside, and that's going to fill in all these gaps. So keep measuring. Okay, are you videoing? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, and you'll just go around your existing ribbon. Either way, there's no wrong way to do it. So don't worry about that. Trust the process. I had a friend over this morning making one of these and she thought hers looked kind of funny and bare, and I just told her it's going to look great once we put the ribbon and the Christmas ornaments. So don't get too hung up on how it looks just yet. Make sure to tie it nice and tight. Okay, so now that we've gone around twice, this is what our wreath looks like. And you can go ahead, sometimes the mesh gets twisted. So if you need to go back and turn it, a certain way, that's okay to do so that it looks nice and fluffy. So keep in mind, but this is my final one here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ribbons and I'm gonna make 3 piles. And I'm going to put one of each ribbon on top of each other. And you can do them in whatever order you want to do them in. Okay, so there's our 3 piles of ribbons. So we're going to take it anywhere in the middle. And we're going to attach it to any spot that you want to. So where you've got your pipe cleaner, you're going to lay it in there. And you're going to twisty tie over it. Probably do 3 times on these because it's pretty thick. And then you just want to spread them apart, like so. Okay, and then pick another spot to attach your ribbons. And then spread them apart. You can do more than 3 piles of ribbon if you want to. I just chose to do 3, but some people want it to look really full, and that's really okay. I mean, it's your wreath, so you can customize it however you want to. Again, there is no right or wrong way to do it. I did a client appreciation party, and I just chose to keep it simple, and we went with 3 piles of ribbon so we could give that to all of the clients. Okay, so see, now you see my 3 ribbon sections there, and now we're going to attach the ornaments exactly where we've got the ribbons. So we're going to, pipe cleaner is still sticking out, so we're going to attach the ornament to there, and then we'll twisty tie around it. And then I'm going to, I did a red one there, so I'm going to alternate colors and do a green one here. And then I'll do a white one. Then I'll go with a, let's see, I'll go with a red one. And then we'll do a green one. And we're going to end up with a white one. Okay, so now that all of our Christmas ornaments are on, we're going to attach pipe cleaner to the back of our motif. And so it's going to hold it in place. We're going to glue it right here, and it'll take a little bit to dry, and then we will attach it. So Gabby is going to glue the pipe cleaner onto the back of the motif. And it's going to take it a few minutes to dry, so you'll just want to let it stay in place there. So now we want to attach the hanging piece where we're going to hang it onto our front door. So I'm going to go like so. And I'm going to go under and then just twist tie. And then my extra piece, I just kind of wrap it around. Wrap it around. Okay, see, now we have a piece to hang it by. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to apply hot glue over all of the pipe cleaner spots. Now keep in mind these middle ones, sometimes they've shifted over, so you can put them exactly where you want them, and then you'll hot glue right over them. So that will also help to keep them in place. So now that the hot glue has dried on the back of our motif and the pipe cleaner, we're going to go ahead and attach that. One more thing I wanted to show you is you're going to have your leftover pipe cleaners so that are sticking out towards the front. So if you don't want to see them, you can bend them backwards, or you can curl them with a pencil, a pen, and then that'll have them look cute and decorative. And our wreath is finally, and now our wreath is finally completed.